We're really proud of the partnership that we have with our Chinese colleagues. We're at 48 years now of working with China with giant pandas. And so this is just a success that we should be sharing together, because we didn't do this by ourselves. It's been a partnership, and it's been a huge success. So we're very grateful for our Chinese colleagues, all of their knowledge and their generosity in sharing that knowledge with us. We communicate regularly. Every month we provide updates on the status of the pandas, and we're in close communication now with any help that we need. We know that our Chinese colleagues are there to give us advice. And we need to give mom and the cub time to be alone and to have the cub grow and become strong. And so, we'll do a physical examination after a couple of weeks, perhaps, and then at 100 days, hopefully we'll have a naming ceremony, and it'll be another joyous occasion.